Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crypto Insider and today we're talking about the Bless Network Airdrop or the Bless Network Depin Airdrop. So this airdrop is just like grass, dawn, gradient. We have to give them access to your internet and then from there they reward you with tokens. So it's quite easy to do. So let's know what Bless Network is all about. So this is the Bless X page. As you can see, it's the world's first shared computer. So this is a new innovation, the world's first shared computer. So I'm expecting this Depin project to have massive rewards. The world's first shared computer powered by everyday devices. Users can now power the applications and websites they use automatically and be rewarded for doing so. This testnet, this Bless 2 is also being launched on Solana, so it's good news for everybody. So it's open source AI at the front, shared computer at the back. So let's proceed. So I will let us know what and what to do, the various steps to take in order to take part and maximize this airdrop. So this is the Bless login page. So the first thing we're going to do is not log in immediately. We're going to have to download the Bless Network extension. So let's go over to this bar here, to this, click on it, manage extensions. Then it will appear here. Then click over to this side, you go to Chrome Web Store. So I'll be attaching the link to download this extension on my description. So type Bless. So this is the extension, this is the logo. Click on it, add to Chrome. I think it's done downloading. So you go back to this place, this is it, pin it to appear here. Let's open our extension. Click login to bring you back to this login page. So logging in with our email, my email, login. So this is it, this is the dashboard. So first we have to connect with the extension. The extension will have to connect. Okay, I just open the extension and it's writing connected. So this is today's time, for today's total time. Then I think you have to be online for at least 10 minutes for it to record that that you are not a robot, you're a human being. This is where you see your referral code. This is the number of referrals. Copy my referral code. So this is it, we're up and running. You can actually have over here active. You can have this account connected to more than one device. You can connect it to your phone, connect it to your system. If you have multiple phones and multiple systems, you can connect it. So if you view nodes, I'm currently running it on only my system. But if you connect to more systems, you may link more nodes by setting up the Bless extension on more devices. So if you connect it to more devices, it will still be running and to help you earn faster. Then here is where you see your node. This is where you see your referrals. Over here, number of referrals, and then your referral code, then referral rewards. So you're going to receive 10% of your referrals time. Then achievements. Under achievement, once there's a referral, I was referred by somebody, so I'll add the person's referral link here. So I've applied the referral code, so it's also an update. So I'm getting 10% boost. If I connect my Discord, I'll get 5% boost. If I connect my Twitter, I'll get 5% boost. So that tasks will be reviewed with time. Thank you for watching this video. Every link you need will be in my description. My Telegram channel link too will be in my description. So like this video and share to your loved ones. Please subscribe and turn on your post notification so you can get more alpha from me. See you next time.